porvorim खापरेश्वर वड हुमटून दुसरे कडेन लावपाक उच्च न्यायालयाचो हयकार। हे खातीर तज्ञांनी दिल्ल्यो मार्गदर्शक सुचोवण्यो मांडच्यो पूण न्यायालयान अधिकाऱ्यांक निर्देश दिल्ल्याचे ॲडव्होकेट जनरल देविदास पांगम हांणी सांगलें। उड्डाणपुलाच्या कामा खातीर हो वड दुसरे कडेन स्थलांतरीत करचें पडटा। हे विशीं लोकांनी जायतीं आंदोलनां लेगीत केल्लीं।
Case has been disposed of. We had given a minutes of order in which we have given the measures which will be taken, the recommendations of the expert which was suggested by the applicant. All the recommendations have been accepted. The procedure, details and precaution which is required to be taken at the time of relocation have been agreed upon, and based on that the court has accepted the minutes of order which we had produced before the court, and the court has permitted translocation of the tree. Then the court has also said that this translocation will be supervised and controlled by the forest officer, and all precautions will be taken as mentioned by the expert report of the applicant, and that is how that case is disposed by the court. So now it is possible for the government and the contractor to translocate that particular tree for the purpose of carrying out the work in furtherance of the project.
Sir,
No, as far as those 5 translocated trees are concerned, there were issues raised as to whether they are in better condition or whether the site is proper. It was inspected by our officers. We have given the report. We have shown the progress of those trees and the precautions which will be taken in future about these trees were placed before the court, and the court has not passed any orders on those aspects of the matter.
sir, there is one small temple near this Banyan Tree, though it was not part of that MCA, but government or government authorities have any plan to shift or what is?
See, that was not subject matter of this application before the High Court, and as far as that issue is concerned, I am not personally aware of it as to how that is going to be implemented or how it is going to be handled. It is for the PWD and the contractor. They must have certainly have some plans. So I am not able to comment on it.